बच्चा था काले चोले गए।
Let's see Abir teacher. Good morning Swaraj, good morning Shravi, good morning. Abir is dancing. Abir, it is 12 o'clock, no? That is why you are dancing. Your all the children have just got up and you have nicely freshed. No, Good morning Swara, good morning Nitya. What are you doing with the lace, with the wire? You're connecting something? Nitya knows to connect charger. I think there's a charger in your hand. Yes. Good morning Sharvari. All of you are ready? Yes. Good morning में क्या बोलेंगे हिंदी में? We have a Hindi session. Who will tell me? What are you going to say for good morning in Hindi? Come on. Who will tell me?
Teacher, you're on mute.
Yeah. Meenakshi teacher is also here. Namaste. Namaste is hello. And good morning ko what do we say in the Meenakshi teacher? What do we say?
Suprabhatam.
Very good. Very good morning. Suprabhat to all the
नमस्ते टीचर।
Namaste बच्चों.
Namaste Meenakshi teacher. Say everybody namaste to Meenakshi teacher is all ready to teach you all Hindi.
नमस्ते टीचर।
Very lovely. Namaste बच्चों. Namaste. Suprabhatam. Good morning.
Yes. Now you can start. Okay, let's start with the Hindi. Yes. Ready? Yes. Over to Meenakshi teacher. Jabi teacher, you're recording, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
हेलो बच्चों, नमस्ते। आप सब कैसे हो? सुप्रभात। हिंदी में गुड मॉर्निंग को वेरी गुड। हिंदी में गुड मॉर्निंग को बोलते हैं सुप्रभात। बोलिए सुप्रभात। वेरी गुड। नमस्ते। अच्छा, आज मैं आपको हिंदी के सिखाऊंगी। पहले हमने हिंदी के 2 व्यंजन 2 लेटर सीख लिए हैं। कौन कौन से सीखे हैं? कौन कौन बताएगा? आपको याद है? वेरी गुड। क एंड ख। वेरी गुड। थम्स अप फॉर यू। क और ख। क से कमल, क से कछुआ, क से कटहल और क से कबूतर। याद है ना आपको? और दूसरा हमने सीखा था व्यंजन लेटर हिंदी का। ख से खरगोश,
ख से खरगोश, ख से खजूर, ख से ख से
खरबूजा।
खरबूजा।
वेरी गुड। ख से खरगोश, ख से खजूर, ख से खरबूजा और ख से खग। आपको तो सब याद है। वेरी गुड। अब हम हिंदी का तीसरा व्यंजन 3rd लेटर सीखेंगे। उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? सब इधर देखेंगे। ग से, इधर देखो, बोलो ग। ग सब बोलो ग। बोलो बच्चों ग।
Go.
मैं ग से गाय, ग से घोड़ा।
हाँ.
नो, ग से घोड़ा नहीं, ग से गाय। वेरी गुड। बट ग से घोड़ा नहीं होता, वो घ होता है। वो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट क्लास में बताऊंगी। अभी आप सब इधर ध्यान से देखो। ग से गाय। दिख रहा है आपको? गाय। ग से गाय। गाय, गाय को इंग्लिश में काव बोलते हैं और ये हमें दूध देती है। बोलो ग से गाय। ग से गाय। मेरे पीछे बोलो 3 बार सब।
Everybody say sir. G say guy. Come on, say.
ग से गाय।
बोलो ग से गाय। बोलो
ग से गाय।
ग से गाय।
ग से गाय।
वेरी गुड। ग से गाय। और गाय हमें क्या देती है? मिल्क, दूध देती है। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। और अभी हमने ग से गाय सीखा है और अब हम ग से दूसरा शब्द सीखेंगे। ग से गाजर।
ग से गाजर।
ग से गाजर।
ग से गाजर।
Meenakshi teacher.
सॉरी,
ग से गमला।
गमला.
हाँ, अभी मैं आपको गाजर दिखाऊंगी. ये देखो, ये
Don't
क्या है?
go
ग
fast.
से
Yeah. Yes.
क्या है मेरे
मेरे को अच्छा
पास?
लगता है गाजर.
किसको अच्छा लगता है खाना?
मेरे को
और कौन
मेरे
खाता है
को-
गाजर? Who likes to
मेरे
eat
को
गाजर?
हमें अच्छा
Rabbit.
लगता है. Yes.
खरगोश.
rabbit.
हाँ, इंग्लिश में
Rabbit.
गाजर को कैरेट बोलते हैं. और कैरेट किसको पसंद है? कौन से एनिमल को? रैबिट को. रैबिट लाइक्स टू ईट अ कैरेट. ठीक है? यस. खरगोश को क्या पसंद है? खरगोश को गाजर खाना बहुत पसंद है. तो ग से गाजर. ग से गाजर. अभी हमने 2 शब्द सीखे हैं. अब ध्यान से देखेंगे सब. अब ग से गधा. बोलो, ग से गधा.
ग से गधा. ग से गधा.
Gada
ग से
means
गधा.
Gada
ग से
means
गधा.
But Abhi, what are you doing? It is not a joke.
इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं गधा को? डोंकी. बोलो, ग
Donkey.
से गधा.
You
ग
know,
से गधा.
when mama gets angry, no? Mama gets angry when you don't study.
गधा.
You are a gada. Mama says
मम्मा
you are a
बोलती है ना,
gada.
जब आप लोग नहीं पढ़ते हो तो गुस्सा आता है, तो मम्मा क्या बोलती है आपको? गुस्से में बोलती है किसी की मम्मा?
नहीं, yeah, it is a bad word. You must not say.
हाँ, ये नहीं बोलती है मम्मा, तो प्यार करती है और फिर आप पढ़ने लग जाते हो. आप तो रॉकिंग स्टार्स हो ना सब. चलो, ग से गधा. अब हमने 3 शब्द सीखे. ग से गाय. बोलो, ग से गाजर. और ग से गधा.
गाजर. ग से गधा.
गुड.
ग से गाजर. ग से गाय. ग से गधा.
वेरी गुड. अब हम सीखेंगे एक और शब्द. ग से गमला. बोलो, ग से गमला.
ग से गमला.
ये देखो, मेरे पास गमला. आपके घर में भी गमला होगा ना? आप भी ऐसे उसको डेकोरेट करना. देखो, ग से गमला. फिर इसमें मड डालना, मिट्टी डालना और एक सीड डालना, तो एक प्लांट बन जाएगा. तो ये ग से क्या है? गमला. बोलो, ग से गमला.
ग से गमला. ग से गाजर. ग से गाय. ग से गधा.
वाओ, वेरी गुड. थम्स अप फॉर यू. बहुत अच्छा बोला आपने. आपको तो सब याद हो गया. एक बार हम फिर से रिवाइज करते हैं. बोलो, ग से गाय.
ग से गाय. ग से गाजर.
ग से गधा.
जब मैं मस्ती करता हूँ तो मेरी मम्मा
अच्छा. और ग से गमला. से ग से गाय. ग से गाजर. ग से गमला और ग से गमला. गमला मतलब पॉट, जिसमें आप मिट्टी डालते हो, मड डालते हो, सीड डालते हो और फिर प्लांट आता है, उसको बोलते हैं गमला. ग से गमला. अभी हमको चारों शब्द हिंदी के ग से आ गए बोलने के लिए. अब सब बोल रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा. अब हम ग लिखना सीखेंगे. प्लीज सारे बच्चे अपनी स्लेट और कॉपी या पेंसिल चौक निकालो. कम ऑन.
chalo, quickly go and get your slate or book. Chalo, slate fast.
Yes.
निकाल लिया सबने?
Yeah, they have it. But do you have red and blue line book? It is better. You'll have
Yes.
red and blue line book, no? Write in that. It is better.
Yeah,
It is
ma'am.
some
First
neat-
they have to practice on slate, then they
Slate
can
only.
write on the
Okay,
note.
okay. Fine. Okay, first practice on slate. Fine.
Yes, सब बच्चे यहाँ देखेंगे. देखो, मैंने क्या बनाया है ग से. बोलो.
What is that? What is that?
गमला.
वेरी गुड. और देखो, मेरे गमले में मैंने मिट्टी डाली है और प्लांट भी आया. आप भी अपने गमले में मिट्टी डाल के प्लांट लगाना. ओके. चलो, अब हम ग लिखना सीखेंगे.
No gada.
ओके.
Appeal, you have to make it fun now. Bus.
कम ऑन, सी लुक हियर. सब यहाँ देखेंगे बहुत ध्यान से. हिंदी में जो आपकी नोटबुक है बच्चों, उसमें रेड लाइन पे हम कुछ नहीं लिखते कभी भी. जो हमारी फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन है, उसमें हम वहां से लिखना शुरू करेंगे, स्टार्ट करेंगे। तो देखो यहाँ से फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से मैंने स्टैंडिंग लाइन डाला, जो सेकंड ब्लू लाइन को क्रॉस करके थर्ड तक गया। एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन डालो।
Come on. Standing line to write G. G.
कम ऑन, राइट स्टैंडिंग लाइन। एक सीधी लाइन डालो जो फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से नीचे थर्ड ब्लू लाइन तक जाएगी।
Yeah. If Nitya can't do, put dots for her. Okay. Then she will do it on that. If she can't.
ओके, उसके बाद ध्यान से देखेंगे सर, फिर हम यहाँ
Shravi
से
can do it. Shravi, you can do it, बच्चा. हाँ. Okay.
जहाँ पे हमने अपनी स्टैंडिंग लाइन फिनिश की है, खत्म की है, वहां से हम एक स्लांटिंग लाइन जो अपवर्ड्स जाएगी, ऊपर जाएगी, ये देखो ऐसे ऐसे एक स्लांटिंग लाइन, एक
Very
तिरछी
good.
रेखा डालेंगे जो
स्वराज
हमारी
करो बच्चा. स्वराज
सेकंड
straight लो.
ब्लू लाइन को टच करनी चाहिए। जो हमारी सेकंड ब्लू लाइन है उसको वो टच करेगी। एक हम अपवर्ड्स को जाती हुई, ऊपर की ओर जाती हुई एक स्लांटिंग लाइन डालनी है आपको। डाली सबने? उसके बाद जहां पे हमने ये लाइन खत्म की है, अपनी छोटी सी रेखा अभी स्लांटिंग लाइन, उसके बाद एक स्लीपिंग लाइन ऑन द ब्लू लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन ऐसे किया सबने। अब उसके साथ ही एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन दोबारा से, जहां से हमने फर्स्ट स्टैंडिंग लाइन स्टार्ट की थी, फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से दोबारा स्टार्ट करेंगे। स्टैंडिंग लाइन थोड़ी सी दूरी से, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, वो भी हम अपनी थर्ड ब्लू लाइन पे फिनिश करेंगे, खत्म करेंगे। उसके बाद हम एक स्लीपिंग लाइन ग के ऊपर डालेंगे। ये बन गया हमारा ग। देखो सब बच्चे इधर, समझ में आ रहे हैं? सबने ग लिखा है?
Yes, they are writing. Yes, yes. Sharvari wrote. Yes, I can see Shravi. I can see Meet. Very good. Even Nitya finished writing. Yes. Yes, 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 Pinakshi
Shravi,
teacher
very nice.
wrote.
एक बार दोबारा
Vedansh
सीखेंगे,
also.
स्वराज
एक बार
बराबर
और
लिखो.
सीखेंगे हम।
स्वराज बराबर लिखो बच्चा.
जिनको नहीं आया प्लीज इधर देखो, एक बार फिर से हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे।
Very nice.
पहले
Karan,
टीचर को
बहुत
देखो,
अच्छा लिखा. Karan ji, very nice. Without mama you wrote, right?
इधर देखेंगे सर। जो हमारी फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन है वहां से हमें एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन डालनी है, लास्ट जो हमारी थर्ड ब्लू लाइन है वहां तक।
Good meet. Very nice. Nitya, are you getting it, बच्चा?
उसके बाद एक
Very
हमें
nice.
स्लांटिंग लाइन डालनी है जो अपवर्ड्स जाएगी, ऐसे स्लांटिंग लाइन
Nitya.
जो हमारी सेकंड ब्लू लाइन को टच होना चाहिए।
Shanaya, are you getting it, Shanaya? Swara, are you writing it, Janardhan? Swara,
उसके
Janardhan.
बाद
are
एक
you writing?
स्लीपिंग लाइन ऑन द ब्लू लाइन, एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन के पास, फिर ऊपर स्लीपिंग लाइन।
Okay. G.
ग से गमला, ग से क्या बना ये? ग।
G. Very good.
Very good.
सबने लिख लिया?
Yes.
हाँ।
Yes. So thumbs up.
ग से गमला, ग से गाजर, ग से गाय, गाय,
और ग
ग
से
गाय, ग से गाजर, ग से गमला।
very good. Now,
वेरी
now
गुड, बहुत अच्छे
Abhi
से
is
सीख
not
रहे हैं
going
आप
to
लोग।
say. Abhi knows his work very well. Abhi, you are going to keep quiet. Give others a chance. Okay.
ओके, अभी सबको ग लिखना आया?
Yes. Even I know how to write now. I'm also learning Hindi with Meenakshi teacher. Very good.
अभी इट्स ओके, सबने लिख लिया ग?
So,
Nityas.
very good, Nitya. Nitya nahi dikhta hai, bacha. Put it down. The screen is going above the screen. Ah, very good. Very good, Vedansh. Oh, lovely. Shravi has written so many go on the slate. Very nice. And Swara is also written. Good. Vedansh is written. Okay, good. Now you'll have to practice all this. You can't write like this.
और आपको एक वर्कशीट आएगी बच्चों, जिसमें होमवर्क होगा, आपको ग की प्रैक्टिस करनी है और ग से हमने जो शब्द सीखे हैं उन पिक्चर्स के आगे उनका नाम भी लिखना है। ओके,
Yes, we are going to
चलो
practice.
अब हम एक हिंदी में गीत गाएंगे, कविता गाएंगे।
Wow, कविता. पोएट्री को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? मीनाक्षी टीचर, कविता.
कविता, यस मैम।
Yes, very nice.
देखो सब बच्चे बताओ, ये किसकी पिक्चर है, ये किसका चित्र है?
कैट,
कैट। और कैट को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? बिल्ली। बोलो बिल्ली।
बिल्ली, बिल्ली, बिल्ली,
हाँ, वेरी गुड। कैट को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं हम? बिल्ली।
बिल्ली, बिल्ली।
अब हम, प्लीज शो देम दैट पिक्चर ऑफ दैट। अब हम बिल्ली की लाइन गाएंगे, एक कविता गाएंगे बिल्ली की। सब मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलना।
My God, a poetry on cat. Very nice. You have never learned a poem on cat, no? So, Meenakshi.
हमारी कविता का नाम है बिल्ली रानी। बोलो बिल्ली रानी। बिल्ली रानी।
बिल्ली रानी, बहुत
चलो।
प्यारी।
अभी चुप सब। अब आप मेरे पीछे पीछे गाना
Yeah.
एक्शंस के साथ। मैं
No,
प्लीज
no,
शो देम दैट
loudly on the
पिक्चर।
screen. You just have to speak, but you are on mute. Okay? आपको स्क्रीन में नहीं बोलना, आप अपने मन से बोलो, but mute पे रहेंगे सब. Okay? Come on, start.
बोलो बिल्ली भागी ओ ओ ओ।
Come on.
बिल्ली भागी ओ ओ ओ,
बिल्ली भागी ओ ओ ओ।
बिल्ली भागी ओ ओ ओ,
गिलास दूध का ढलक गया। गिलास दूध का ढलक गया। ढलक गया मतलब गिर गया, जमीन पर गिर गया। बिल्ली भागी ओ ओ ओ। बोलो बच्चा।
बिल्ली भागी ओ ओ ओ,
गिलास दूध का ढलक गया। एक्शन भी करो। गिलास दूध का ढलक गया।
Very good.
दूध, ये देखो, दूध घड़ी पर ढलक गया। दूध घड़ी पर ढलक गया।
हिंदी सिखावे जो टीचर।
Yes.
ये देखो, इसमें घड़ी भी है और एक बिल्ली है। तो बिल्ली रानी भागी ना जैसे ही, तो उसका सारा दूध घड़ी के ऊपर गिर गया। ढलक गया मतलब गिर गया। बोलो बिल्ली भागी ओ ओ ओ।
बिल्ली भागी ओ ओ ओ।
गिलास ढलक गया।
गिलास
दूध घड़ी पर ढलक गया। दूध घड़ी पर ढलक गया। ढलक मतलब गिर गया।
घड़ी पे ढलक गया।
बिल्ली रुकी घड़ी के पास। बिल्ली रुकी घड़ी के पास। बोलो
बिल्ली रुकी घड़ी के पास. Yes.
उसको मिली दूध की बास। उसको मिली दूध की बास। बास मतलब स्मेल आ गई उसको कि कहीं पे दूध गिरा है। उसको स्मेल आ गई। बिल्ली रुकी घड़ी के पास, उसको मिली दूध की बास।
Yes. Come on. बिल्ली रुकी घड़ी के पास, उसको मिली दूध की बास।
लगी चाटने उसका कांच, देखो इसमें चाट रही है वो। लगी चाटने उसका कांच, बोलो।
Oh my God. The cat started licking. So what is
लगी चाटने उसका कांच,
लगी चाटने?
बजे घड़ी में पूरे 5। लगी चाटने उसका कांच, बजे घड़ी में पूरे 5। ऐसे करो।
पूरे 5. High five. पूरे 5.
पूरे 5 बज गए। बजा अलार्म टन टन टन, बजा अलार्म टन टन टन, बिल्ली भागी दन दन दन, बिल्ली भागी दन दन दन।
Yes, very
वो
nice.
भाग गई। अलार्म बज गया ना, 5 बज के अलार्म बज गया और बिल्ली डर गई, तो वो दूध छोड़ के भाग गई, दन दन दन, जोर से भाग गई। चलो एक बार फिर से बोलो मेरे पीछे सारे।
Full poem. Okay, say in your mind.
भागी ओ
बिल्ली भागी ओ
बिल्ली भागी
का ढलक गया, गिलास से दूध का ढलक गया।
Then
दूध घड़ी पर ढलक गया, बिल्ली रुकी घड़ी के पास, उसको मिली दूध की बास। बिल्ली रुकी घड़ी के पास, उसको मिली दूध की बास। लगी चाटने उसका कांच, लगी चाटने उसका कांच, बजे घड़ी में पूरे 5। बजे घड़ी में पूरे 5। बजा अलार्म टन टन टन, बजा अलार्म टन टन टन, बिल्ली भागी दन दन दन, बिल्ली भागी दन दन दन, बिल्ली भागी दन दन दन। कम ऑन क्लैप। कैसे लगा आपको? कविता कैसी लगी?
Wow, very nice.
आपने एंजॉय किया बच्चों?
यस टीचर।
तो घर में कितने बजे थे जब बिल्ली भाग गई?
5 बजे थे. 5 बजे थे.
5 थे, 5 बजे,
5 बजे अलार्म बजा, बिल्ली भागी
5 बजे, 5
वेरी गुड। बिल्ली भागी दन दन दन। तो
डन।
हमारी कविता थी बिल्ली रानी। कौन सी थी?
बिल्ली रानी।
और ये आपको याद करनी है। मैं आपको वेरी गुड। बिल्ली रानी बड़ी सयानी। सयानी मतलब बहुत इंटेलिजेंट होती है। मैं आपको ये पोएम सेंड कर दूंगी, आपको याद करनी है ये कविता। ओके, कम ऑन शो मी योर थम्स अप। अच्छे से याद करना सब, फिर मैं आपके ओरल्स में एग्जाम्स में पूछने वाली हूँ ये। ओके,
Teacher, say thank you, Meenakshi teacher, for a lovely Hindi session. Yes. Yes.
क्या
And
हुआ
you'll have the book, no? You'll have the book. You can open the book and see this poem. Okay? Yes, Meenakshi teacher, it is in the book, no?
यस मैम।
Yeah,
They
fine.
can learn मैम on the page number 4.
Page number 4. Open to page number 4 of your Hindi workbook and you will find this. Okay? Hindi book. Okay? Those who have bought it. Okay? Chalo.
You
Thank
have to learn with the actions. Okay,
Fine.
I will ask in the your exam.
Tomorrow is the class, okay, for all the Hindi children. Again, tomorrow is the Hindi class in the morning, so
Yeah, same
time
time.
to join and learn the poem, okay?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
thank you, Meenakshi teacher. And what you must say, dhanyavad. Come on, everybody say dhanyavad.
धन्यवाद बच्चों। धन्यवाद बच्चों।
And bye.
Hope to see you. धन्यवाद बच्चों।
Chalo, okay, now Bas Abir, you're becoming very naughty now. Okay, so now we have all the nurseries joined in. Good morning, Liuki Puki. Good morning, Hamza, Shreyas, Prisha, Hussein. Good morning, Mustafa. Good morning. Good morning. All are ready? Everybody is ready? You all like to learn Hindi? You all want to learn Hindi? You can join in the morning tomorrow. Okay, those who are interested in listening to Meenakshi teacher's story, Meenakshi teacher's story, क्या बोलते हैं? कविता. Then story को नहीं, poetry को कविता बोलते हैं. Then stories, and you can also log in little early. No problem. Okay. So now everybody is ready. Yes, Mustafa and Karanveer is also. Karanveer, are you joining your mama session? Are you enjoying Hindi with Mama? Karanveer's Mama is teaching Hindi, no? So Karanveer is also joining us. Yes, you also teach your Mama. Okay, learn lot from your Mama. Your Mama knows a lot, Karanveer. Okay, chalo. Now it's time to say goodbye. Good hello, hello everybody. Yes, all the kids are coming. Good morning to all of you, Zain and everybody. So now it's time to say hello. Everybody do action.
Every day. Every day. I go to school. I go to school. I meet my friends. I meet my friends. And we all say. And we all say. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. How are you? How are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm good. I'm great. How about you? How about you? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. How are you? How are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm good. I'm great. How about you?
Yes, so very good morning, and it's time to do some Thursday exercise with Munira teacher. Where are you, Munira teacher? Munira teacher is always in her time to do the exercise. So,
Yay!
Munira teacher.
Good. That's nice. Okay. Little warm up we will do. Okay. Little, not much. Okay. So I want you all to do little. Chalo, everyone get up, get up, get up, get up, get up from your place. Get up. No sitting, no sitting. Come on, get up. Good. Great. Okay. Now, everybody, we want you all to chalo. Let's do the warm up. Okay. Come on. Hands. Now rotate your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now come on, everybody. Hands on the waist and twist. Twist. Come in front on the left. Come in front on the left. Right. Come in front on the left. Again in front. Again in the right. Front. Left. Okay. Now, after taking towards left and right, bend and go up. Again, left and right, bend down and stretch up. Okay, these are small stretching exercise. Okay, now I want you all to sit down. Okay, sit down and let's do exercise by sitting down. Okay, let's sit down, everyone. Okay. Let me adjust my. Okay, can you all see me clearly, properly?
Yes, we can see you.
Very good. Now, what we have to do is, first thing here also, what we have to do, we are going to twist, because this is very good for our waist, twisting from left to right. Okay, chalo. 1, 2, 3, start. Left, straight, right, straight, left, straight, right, straight, left, straight, right, straight. Okay, now let's bend. Okay, your left hand on your waist, right hand will go up, up and bend towards your left side. Good. Now come down slowly. Right hand on the waist, left hand, and bend towards your right side. Okay, come up. Everyone, please do it. Okay. Now again,
Yes,
left
everybody is
hand
doing it.
up. Go down.
Very good, Luke. Luke's mama also is doing. Very good,
Side.
Abir.
Wow, that's nice.
Sharvari,
Look,
Shriyash, Yuvan. Yuvan is doing and falling.
very
Then
good. Now, your
Karanveer,
left hand goes toward
Katina.
your right side.
Very good, Burhanuddin.
Yay.
Mustafa, come on,
good.
do bacha. Hamza,
Good.
Shravi,
Now, let's do butterfly.
Swaraj.
Butterfly. Come on, both the legs.
Yes, make a butterfly, come on.
Butterfly position. And
Very good.
your both the legs like a, we should fly.
Oh my God. Duke's butterfly is moving very fast. Oh my God.
Butterfly. See,
Very good, Swara.
please. No, no, no.
Very good, Vedansh.
Let's go far, far away.
Very good.
Away. Good. Now we are going to bend down. We are going to touch our feet. This is a feet which you have to touch. Okay. Your head should touch your feet. Try to go down. It doesn't touch. Okay. Down, 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 down. Oh. See?
Oh, touch. Very good. Oh my, I can see all are so flexible.
Wow. And come up.
Very good.
We are doing this one more time. Chalo.
Very, come on, Zain.
Touch
Try.
your feet, touch your
Very good, Abir.
your
Very good, Shania. Come on.
Yay.
Swara.
And come
Amira. Very good, Amira.
Yay.
Ivan. Come on, Ivan. You can do with Papa also. Come on.
Yes.
Very good, Ivan. Let's try. Yes.
Good. That's nice. I can see children doing from now. Okay. Now I want your both the legs in front. Like this. Sit properly. Both the legs in front. Hands up, 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 and try to touch your toes. See, your teacher is touching. See, yes. And try to
Very nice.
your
You get it.
head and knee. Okay.
Very
Go down,
good,
go
Amira.
down. But Munia teacher can't
Come on,
touch.
Sakina. Very good,
Munia
Karanveer.
teacher is not that flexible. Okay. One more time. Down,
Come on, Shravi.
down.
Become very good, Nitya. Very good, Swaraj. All are become very flexible, huh? All very good, Shania. Very good, Hussein. Come on, Anay.
All are doing
On your
it?
video, bacha. Anay is
Tapping
doing
teacher,
yes.
everyone is doing it?
Yes, everybody
Very
did it.
good.
Okay?
That's nice. Now, okay, come back, sit in your cross again properly. Okay. Now let's do little chanting. Okay, just to relax. Fine. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to say Om. Okay, but you have to close your eyes for that. Okay. I want both the hands touch the finger to your thumb, this index finger to your thumb. Put both the hands on your knees like this and eyes close for a while. Relax. Very good. Relax. Calm down. And now say Aum. Okay. Come on. 1, 2, 3, start. Last time. Eyes closed for a while. Don't open it all of a suddenly. Don't open the eyes. Now, take your both palms, rub them. Rub, 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 rub on your face and slowly, slowly, slowly open your eyes. Are you feeling nice? How are you feeling? Good.
Yes, everybody's
Wow.
feeling fresh.
Refresh. Okay, that's nice. Now, let's go to the Hussaina teacher. She will take us to a garden trip. Okay, she will today.
Yes, Susanna teacher, you can
Yeah.
unmute yourself first.
Okay, where is Hussaina teacher? Okay, let me spotlight Hussaina teacher. Yay. Okay. Can you all see Hussaina teacher?
Yeah, Susanna teacher,
Your
on
video?
your video, okay?
On your video? Is she there?
Yeah, she's there. Susanna teacher, you can on your video. And you're on mute, Susanna teacher. Just unmute yourself.
Fine. Okay. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Hi. Today, hello. Okay. Today we are going to learn about kitchen gardening. Okay. Who has a garden? किसके पास garden है? घर पे garden है? In your gallery? You have? Very good. Very nice. Okay. So what you have grown? What you have grown in your garden? You'll show us afterwards? Coriander. Wow. Very good. Very nice. You all are also growing. Very nice. Now today, Hussaina teacher is also going to show you. You have trees. Very good. Okay. Now listen to Hussaina teacher. Afterwards, we'll see everyone's garden. Now we are going to learn about kitchen gardening. Okay. What is kitchen gardening? आपको मालूम है? Kitchen gardening मतलब क्या? नहीं? Okay. You eat fruits, vegetables, isn't it? हम खाते हैं ना fruits and vegetables खाते हैं ना? So जो हमारे kitchen में available है, जो ममा kitchen में cook करते हैं fruits and vegetables. Okay. See which vegetable is this? Javi teacher, they can see now.
Yes, Susanna teacher, we can
Yes.
see. Come on, what is
Which
this? Tell me.
Who will tell first? This is
Vegetable is
ये आपके किचन में है ना मम्मा के पास kitchen में? Yes. Okay. Which vegetable is this? Potato. ये भी आपके मम्मा के पास है किचन में, है ना? किचन में है ना? Very good. And what is this? White color. Huh? This is lasan, garlic.
garlic. Yeah, Shania said the
What shall
answer.
we say? Garlic. Okay. Wow. And can you all see this? What is the teacher's hand? Green. ये भी आपके किचन में है. मम्मा इसकी सब्जी बनाती है आपके लिए, है ना? Yes. Okay. How can anyone guess what is this? These are red chilies. Red chilies. Okay. Now,
So now all these things हुसैना टीचर आपको दिखाएगी. अगर आपके पास घर के अंदर जगह है ग्रो करने के लिए, you can grow all these things in your house. Okay? And when they grow, you can eat it for yourself. So that is called kitchen gardening. Okay? जब हम हमारे घर में उसको grow करते हैं और हम खुद ही उसे खा लेते हैं. So that is kitchen gardening. अभी kitchen में grow करने के लिए what do you need? हमें क्या चाहिए? We need a pot. See? Husaina teacher has made pots out of. कौन guess करेगा ये किसका pot बनाया है हुसैना टीचर ने? This is a bottle. Yes. अगर आपके पास bottles है, पानी की बड़ी-बड़ी bottles है, oil की बड़ी-बड़ी bottles है, you can cut them in the shape and you can make them a pot. तो किचन गार्डनिंग के लिए आपको बहुत बड़ी जगह नहीं चाहिए. आपको अगर छोटी सी भी जगह हो जहाँ पे सनलाइट मिलता हो, you get, because the plant needs sunlight. So wherever you can grow, small place you need, you can put such pots. Okay? And
Teacher, when we will grow a cabbage in our garden.
teacher, while they are talking
Okay.
Okay. Vedant, you afterwards share, okay, what you've grown. First,
Yeah.
now listen to Husaina.
First listen, then we'll see your gardens. Okay, so I've taken a pot. This is a pot. The first thing, what you will do in the pot के अंदर हमें hole बनाना है. Can you see the holes? See, I'm putting my knife inside. Javin teacher, just tell me if it is visible to them.
Yes,
Yes.
but this they can only do with the help of their mama
Yeah,
and
mamas
papa.
के साथ.
Okay.
हाँ, mamas will make the pot ready and give you. You all sow the seed. Okay? So because this pot is big, I have made holes. First thing, when you get pot from the market or you make your own pots with the bottles, you make a hole. Why? Hole की क्यों जरूरत है हमें? Because जब हम पानी डालेंगे, हम plants में पानी डालेंगे, तो the water has to drain away. पानी को जगह चाहिए drain होने के लिए, ठीक है? So first, अब this is our pot is ready. अभी हम क्या डालेंगे pot के अंदर for the plants to grow? We will put soil. Okay? Now, for that, we need 3 types of soil. This is the Javi teacher, I can see now.
Yeah, little
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
You can hold it a little up.
This
Yes.
is a soil. Okay, so we take soil, more of the soil. This is in my hand. It's little green color. Okay, little green color, and this is sand. Okay, रेती, जिसे हमें रेती बोलते हैं. Okay, so soil and sand. Okay, I'm putting in the sand in the soil. I'm putting the sand. Why you have to put sand, you know? Sand helps the roots to absorb water. जब हम पानी डालेंगे, तो sand क्या करेगा? मदद करेगा. Plants, roots को help करेगा पानी soak करने के लिए. So we have to add, in the soil, we will add sand. And very, very important thing, जो plants को चाहिए grow होने के लिए. Can you see this? This is black in
Yeah.
color.
Little up. Can you hold it a little up? Yeah.
Wow. Can you see this? And what is
Yes.
this is the manure. ये क्या है?
Manure.
Manure.
What is manure? What is manure?
Manure क्या है? खत जो हमें प्लांट्स को देना है. जैसे हम मम्मी हमें फ्रूट देती है ना, एप्पल, टोमेटोज, पोटैटोज, जैसे हम खाते हैं ना स्ट्रॉन्ग बनने के लिए, ऐसे ही प्लांट्स को भी चाहिए स्ट्रॉन्ग सिर्फ मट्टी डालेंगे तो प्लांट ग्रो हो जाएगा? नो, प्लांट को भी थोड़ा न्यूट्रिशियस चाहिए, थोड़ा ताकत चाहिए ग्रो होने के लिए। तो उन्हें प्लांट्स को ताकत कहाँ से मिलती है? दिस ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर। और ये हम हमारे घर में भी बना सकते हैं। ओके, दिस ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर यू कैन मेक इट इन योर हाउस ऑल्सो। आपको मम्मी जब फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स काटती है ना, तो छिलटे क्या करती है मम्मी? फेंक देती है ना, मम्मी डस्टबिन में डालते हैं ना छिलटे। So if you want to make this organic manure at home, you must tell mama, don't throw the vegetable peels, don't throw the fruit peels. आप क्या कर सकती हो मालूम है? एक बकेट लेना है, बड़ा सा बकेट लेना है, और put the soil, put this soil, and on that soil you put all the vegetables, all the fruit peels, जो छिलटे रहते हैं ना फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स के, वो आप लगा दो। and make 4-5 layers, because रोज सब्जी बनती है ना हमारे घर में, रोज मम्मा निकालती है छिलटे, तो आप रोज उसे ऐसे पॉट जो आपने बकेट में डाले हैं ना, मट्टी डाला है, उसमें डालना है, और 5-6 लेयर्स करना है हमें। make 4-5 layers। और 4-5 लेयर्स करने के बाद उसे बंद करके घर के बाहर, कहा या आपकी पास टेरेस रही, टेरेस के अंदर आप रख दो। And after some months, don't keep it in the house because it has got very bad smell will come. Because आपने सब peels डाले हैं ना, छिलके डाले हैं, तो बहुत गंदी स्मेल आती है उसमें से। तो घर के अंदर नहीं रखना है हमें, घर के बाहर या टेरेस के ऊपर। For months you have to keep, 4 months, 5 months, and then you will see this brown soil will become black in color, and that is the organic manure. उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Organic manure. And market में भी मिलता है ये। Okay, and how in the market, how they make it? They make it with the cow's dung. Okay, soil के अंदर वो लोग ये डालते हैं। Okay, so this is the organic manure, and now I'm going to mix. And now everyone say mix, mix, mix. Come on. Now I'm mixing the soil, I'm mixing the sand, and I'm mixing the manure.
Yeah.
Wow.
Can you hold
So
it a
my
little
mud-
up and mix? Can you hold it a little up and show them what you're mixing? A
up,
little up.
I'll just put it in the
Okay.
pot. They can see?
Yeah.
See, I'm mixing
There are
everything.
3 things here.
Nicely, you have to mix everything, okay? If you want little more manure, you put. Now I've mixed all my soil is ready. Now this is the pot. We have made holes now. हमने खड्डे किए ना? So हमें stones या broken, see, I've taken broken pieces of stones. These are, which I will put it on the pot, holes. Holes को cover करना है। हाँ, ऐसे. Put it on the holes.
Yeah. Can you tilt it? We cannot see. Can you
Yes.
tilt a little? More,
Yeah.
more. No, we cannot see. Just hold it a little up. Yes. And tilt now.
Right?
Yes.
The
we can
holes,
see the
I put
stone.
the stones, which I showed you. So the holes are got covered. Now I'm putting the soil in it. Okay, little soil in it. Oh, wow. So my pot is covered with the soil. Can everyone
Yes.
see that? See, now my soil is gone. Now one, I will show you the vegetables which Mama has in her kitchen. How to sow them. Okay. Okay. What is this? This is a pod of garlic. Okay. So we remove the, wow. Yes. And now, so I've taken one pod. मैंने सिर्फ एक लहसुन की कली ली है, ठीक है? और this is the stem. Just everyone can see the stem. It's going up, and this is the root. हमें ऐसे डालना है. Javi teacher, everything can be seen which I've sewed.
Yes. Yeah. Little up you can hold it. Little up. Yeah.
Okay. You saw how I sewed the seed on the pot.
Take your up. Yeah, take your pot little up. Yes,
Pot
now
little
we
up.
can see.
1 minute. How it's called.
See, there is a white color garlic. White color
Yes,
garlic in the
garlic.
pot.
So I will show
Okay,
you.
a single white color garlic in the pot.
Wow. See, when you sow the garlic inside, the stem up and the garlic root down. Can everyone see this green leaf, stem is coming out? Everyone can see the garlic inside the pot? Yes? Okay, then you can eat this.
Ye-
And abhi to thandi
Yes, yes, we can see. Yes.
See, this is one more I have sown. And everyone will be able to see the green stems are coming. And this mama puts in all the bhaji on the rice. And it's very good to eat in this season. Okay, garlic. Okay, so this one, after sowing, we have to put little water. Okay, after sowing, we have to put little water. Okay, so this was garlic. Can you see this? Who will tell me what is this? आपके घर में भी रहता है मेथी और आप लोग खाते हो?
मेथी
Yes, मेथी की भाजी खाते हो ना? मम्मी लाते हैं ना मेथी की भाजी, तो मम्मी को बोलो आप ग्रो कर सकते हो आपके किचन में भी. You can grow this in your kitchen also. And yes, इसे भी है ना, मेथी को ऐसे थोड़ा सॉइल हटाना है, थोड़ा सीड्स लेना है, and sprinkle it, and then put little soil on it. See, Sena teacher has sprinkled it. Sprinkle the methi seeds in the soil, and then on that we again put little soil to cover it. Okay, वापस उस मेथी के seeds के ऊपर डालना है थोड़ा soil, and then you have to water it. I'm not watering it just now, okay? Because I am sowing many things inside. And then you have to keep it. So these were the methi seeds. And when the methi ka plant ugega after some time, wow. See how it will.
Leafy vegetable.
Yes, it is a leafy vegetable. It is very good to eat. And when this plant will grow, it will become so big. You can pluck the leaves. You can pluck and eat it. ये आपका ताजा ताजा और अच्छा अच्छा मेथी grow हो जाएगा. See, the methi I've grown, this becomes so big. Okay, it takes time to grow. The seeds take time to grow. Okay, so this was garlic and this was methi. Now I will show you potato. Okay, how to grow the potato. Can everyone see the potato? One.
Yes, we can see.
Yes. Can you see these white things? These are the eyes of the potato. What are they? Eyes of the potato.
Potato.
Yes. Now you have to
I
must help. हमें ऐसे उसे काटना है. See. And then with the eyes will be up and this part of the potato will be sewn inside. I will show you.
Wow,
One.
it is what magic. The
Wow.
eyes
One
and
knowledge.
then it's magic. We put the eyes
and
and then we get a whole potato.
One potatoes. Half a kg potato can be grown, you know. I will tilt and I will show you. Okay.
No, we cannot see. Just hold it little up. Yeah, but it has gone inside. Okay, no problem.
Okay, it's gone inside. The green roots cannot be seen. Okay.
Problem. No problem. It's
I will
okay.
tilt
Yes.
my camera. I will tilt my camera.
Yes, you can put your camera inside and show them. the thing.
Ah, now they can see.
No, no, no. Let's
no,
see.
yes, see the
Now.
No.
No,
Hold
we
it
can't see.
behind. Hold it.
Can't
Just
see.
put the camera on. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. Chalo. Okay, but you understood how you have to put it? You will take the eyes. Okay, with the eyes will be on top because this is the eyes में से पूरा झाड़ निकलेगा potato का. And this part you have to put it down in the soil. Okay, straight down. So then, and from this one eye, you can get half a kilo potatoes. But after some time, it takes time to grow. And if you have a farm, बड़ा garden है, वहाँ पे potatoes अच्छी तरह से उगते हैं, not in the pot. Okay, but I showed you how to sow the potato. Okay, for potato you need a big farm. So now I will show you.
Yes. What are these? Seeds.
These are the seeds. You know what seeds these are? Can you see this picture?
Yes. This is coriander seeds.
Coriander. Dhania. Dhania
Which we
bhi
need
bolte
every day
hain.
at home.
Coriander. Yes. So now these coriander seeds we are going to sow. अभी जब हम seeds sow करते हैं ना, you must crush them. Just let me know if they can see this, huh?
Yeah, you have to tilt the little camera downwards. Only then they'll be able to
I'll
see.
put the camera
Tilt it.
down.
Yes, on your cloth. Little tilted down. No, this is up.
This way.
No, downwards, Susanna teacher. The screen should be down. So they will. Yeah, no.
You can see now.
Yes, yes. Take your cloth a little behind. Take the cloth a little behind towards you.
What's me? Okay. 1 minute, huh? Just searching something. Where is it? Yeah. And everyone can see this. This is what? This is a roller. Mama के पास तो roller है ना, चपाती बनाने का roller. तो उससे हम ये seeds को थोड़ा crush करेंगे. We have to crush. If you crush the seeds, they can see the action what I'm doing.
No, Susanna teacher. Actually, you're getting
Okay.
frozen. Just yes,
seeds
yes,
have
we
to
can see.
be
But hold it,
crushed.
yeah, little far. You can keep your camera. Keep it a little far.
Okay. Wow, I'm crushing the seeds. Okay. Or 1 minute, huh? Little more I will do.
Yeah, just tilt it little down so we can see it much better. Yes, now we can see.
Wow.
Oh my
See?
God.
Any seeds
So
when you
growing
grow,
plants
na?
is not easy.
Yes,
It's a big
any
task.
seeds, you have to crush them. Little crushing हो जाता है ना, तो अच्छी तरह से grow होते हैं वो.
Yeah, can you see the crushed
Okay.
seeds?
Wow. See?
Yeah. Yeah.
One in there become two. Okay. एक में से दो हो गए हैं. Now, 1 minute. Huh? Now I'm taking the seeds inside and I will put it in the soil. So whenever you're sowing any seeds, उसे crush करो. ठीक है? Crush करने के बाद we will pour it. And then we pour the soil on top. देखो. I
Yes,
have
yes, yes.
poured. And now I am pouring the soil in it. And then we will water it. So this was dhania seed. And after some days, the coriander plant will grow.
Yes, I'm sure many of them have coriander at home.
Yes, and ये तो
Yes,
बहुत,
and
and this is organic because we have put all organic khat dala hai. We have not put any chemicals, so it is good for your health also. Okay, now what is left? Wow. See what is in my hand? Chili. I'll show you now how to grow the chili.
oh my God, you are removing the seeds from the chili.
Yes, I'm removing the seeds of the chili.
Oh my God, the chili is very spicy. A spicy tree is going to come. A spicy plant.
Yes, we can grow this also in our kitchen.
Yeah, can you show us the seeds?
Yes,
of
I'm
the
showing.
chili.
See, these are the seeds of the chili. Okay, you can see the seeds. They're small white color seeds. And now these seeds also we are going to put it on the soil.
Now, Hussaina teacher, one type of seeds in one pot, right?
Yes. But I am showing in one pot everything. Okay, you have to do this in separate pot. एक pot में chili, एक pot में potato, एक pot में what was it?
Garlic.
What methi? Okay, in different pots we have to sow. See, I've taken different pots. This is garlic. I've sown in the pot. Then
Garlic.
this is
Wow,
Methi.
methi is looking so nice. Fenugreek is looking lovely.
and it will grow and then we will eat it. Okay. In different
And how long it
Methi.
took, Hussaina teacher? It took many days.
Yes.
It took many days. The methi took how many
Yes.
days
It
to
takes
come up?
many days. It अभी डाला है, आज हमने seed डाला और कल plant grow नहीं होता है. It takes time. Like baby grows ना. Baby कैसे जब छोटा रहता है, small रहता है, then slowly it becomes big ना. आप big baby थे, then you became. ऐसे ही plant भी small से big होने को time लगता है. It takes time to grow. Okay, now I will show you. What is this in my hand?
Tomato.
Yes, अगर आपको बाजार जाके टमाटो के seeds नहीं लाने हैं, you know how you can grow tomato also in your garden? One minute, I'll show you.
पानी सांडेल.
Yes, they will search for the seeds inside the tomato.
Yes, there are seeds.
Yes, can you
The
show us one
tomato.
slice? Yes.
I will just show 1 minute. Can you see?
Yes, we can see the tiny
Yes,
seeds
very
inside.
tiny.
Seeds are there inside the tomato. Okay. And how to grow now? How to grow, I will show you. When you put this in your pot, the whole pot you will put. Yes, one here. Then little distance you have to keep between the two tomato slices. Okay. and you put it over here.
Okay, so we are going to put the whole slice
Yes, the
inside.
whole slice you have to put it.
Wow.
And after some time, the tomato plant will grow.
And big tomatoes are going to
Yes.
come.
This
So
is
many
the way.
tomatoes will grow. Teacher, so many tomatoes.
So many tomatoes will come out. But
Wow.
it will take time. Okay, it will
Yes,
take time for
and
the
we can make tomato soup.
Yes, you can make
Wow.
you can use them as salad, in tomato soup, and in the gravies. Okay, and then put mud. Take mud in soil in your hand and cover the tomato. So it is covered. So this is the way we sow tomato when you want to do in your garden. Okay, if you don't want to go to the market and buy tomatoes. Okay, so today what we learned?
Teacher, we cannot hear.
You could not hear me? You could not hear me, beta?
We can hear you. We can hear you.
Okay. So today, which vegetables we grew in our garden? In a kitchen gardening, which vegetables? We learned about tomato, we learned about potato, we learned about yes, and coriander. And one more thing you have to remember, when you're growing, okay, when you're growing plants, you need good quality of seeds. Okay, जब आप उगाते हो तो seeds जो है good quality you need. Then only your plant will grow, and you require lots and lots of patience because एक दिन में आपका plant नहीं grow होएगा. It will take 1-2 weeks and then it will become lovely plant. Okay, so it takes 2 to 3 weeks for anything to grow. And always use organic cut, okay, organic manure to grow in your garden because it is healthy. Okay, so
Yes.
did you all enjoy today seeing this session?
Yes. Thank you, Sana teacher.
Okay.
We really enjoyed.
Okay.
And now, Javi teacher, we want to see their garden. Whoever wants to
Yes,
show.
what they can, we are short of time. They can send us a picture of their garden. Okay, they'll send us a picture of
Okay.
whatever plant they have at home. Okay. And if we have time at the end, we'll check. Okay.
Flower stone or chili plant.
Okay, chili plant. You send us a picture of your chili plant. Okay. Okay. Good morning, Zainab teacher.
Good morning, everyone. So ready
You
for
can
our
just
story
spotlight
today?
Munira teacher. So
Yes,
on Zainab
yes.
teacher.
I'm spotlighting her.
Yes, I am
2 minutes.
spotlighted, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, so we are ready for our story today. Yes, tell me, what do you see? Can you tell me what are you seeing? What is this? Can anyone guess? Today's story is about what? What is this? What do you see? This is a circle. What is this circle shaped? Yes, you can see moon and stars in the sky.
Moon and star.
Correct. Now, what is the name of today's story? Today's story is Papa, please get the moon for me. Is it possible to get the moon? Can anyone get the moon from the sky? Can you go in the sky and get the moon?
No,
No, it's not possible. It's not possible. But this is a story. So anything can happen in the story. So shall we start? Yes? Okay. Now, 1 minute. Okay, everyone. 1 minute, children. I'm so sorry for the interruption.
Susanna teacher, it's okay. Yeah.
Just want to adjust.
You can keep it at a little far so they'll be able to see the moon and the house also.
Yeah, I will get the moon down if it is like
No
this.
problem. Yeah, this is fine.
Yes.
We can see both. Yeah, just oh wow! Everybody wants to see the moon.
Okay, so let us start the story. Okay, now today's story is about this girl. Yes, can you see this girl? Now this girl's name is Monica. What is the name of this girl? Monica. Yes, and Monica lives in the house.
Zainab teacher, excuse me, can you be a little louder, please? Little
Am
loud.
I not audible? 1 minute.
Yeah,
You are audible,
but
just
you are
little louder.
Yeah.
Okay,
Say
okay,
little
fine.
loud.
Okay, so now this story is about the girl called Monica. Okay, and Monica lives in the house with her papa. Okay, now one night when Monica was playing outside the house, yes, she saw a moon in the sky. Yes, and she said, wow, this moon is looking so beautiful. It is shining so brightly. I want the moon. Okay, and she tried to jump up to reach the moon. She tried to catch the moon. She tried to reach the moon. But children, is it possible to reach the moon? No, the moon is high up in the sky, and how much ever we jump, we cannot reach the moon. So Monica became very sad. Yes, she ran to her papa. See, this is Monica's papa. So Monica went to her papa and she said, Papa, please get the moon for me. I want the moon. Yes, so Papa started thinking. He said, what do I do? How do I get the moon for Monica? So Papa got an idea. Yes, now they would live in this house. Behind the house, there was a very tall mountain. Can you see this mountain? Yes, behind the house, there was a very tall mountain. So you know what Papa did? Now Papa had a very tall ladder. Can you see this ladder? See how tall it is? It's not even fitting in my screen. Oh my God. So Papa got a very tall ladder. Yes, and he started going near the mountain. And he placed his ladder against the mountain like this. Okay, and he told Monica, I am going to climb this ladder and try to reach the moon. Okay, so Papa started climbing the ladder. Up, 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 up. He climbed and he reached near the moon. Yes, and he tried to pluck the moon with his hands. But the moon was so huge, Papa was not able to take the moon in his hand. So Papa told the moon, Moon, please come with me. My daughter Monica wants to play with you. I want to take you down to her. But you are so big, I am not able to take you with me. So the moon started talking. Yes, and what did the moon tell Papa? The moon said, listen to me. Just now, I am a full moon, big and round. I am very big, so you will not be able to take me with you. But every night, I will keep getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. And when I am of the right size, that time you come up and I will come with you. So Papa said, okay, Every day I will look in the sky to see whether you are really getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So Papa came down from the ladder, down, 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 down. Yes, he came down and he told Monica that I will get the moon for you after some days. Yes, and then every day Papa would look in the sky, and what happened? Now you remember the phases of the moon, isn't it? It is true. So what happened? Every night the moon started getting smaller. First it became 3/4 quarter, then it became half quarter. Yes, and then it became crescent size. See, so small. Yes, and then when the moon was of the crescent size, 1 minute. Yes. When the moon was of the crescent size, that time Papa said, yes, now this moon is looking really small. I think now I should go up and get the moon down for Monica. So again, Papa got his big, long ladder and he put it against the mountain. Yes, and he again started climbing the ladder, up, 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 and he reached the moon, and he was able to pluck the moon from the sky, and it was of the perfect size, the crescent size, isn't it? So Papa took the moon in his hand and he started climbing down and down and down and down, and he came down off the ladder with the crescent size moon. Okay, and he gave this moon to Monica. And when Monica took the moon in her small hands, she was so happy. She said, oh my God, I have actually got the moon in my hand. And she started jumping and dancing and swinging with the moon. Okay, she was very, very happy because she wanted the moon. Yes. Now see, Papa got the moon for Monica. Now can you see the moon in the sky? See, there is no moon in the sky because Papa has got the crescent moon for Monica. And Monica was very happy. She started playing with the moon. Now, every day, the moon started getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Yes, and what happened? One night, when Monica threw the moon in the sky to catch it, the moon disappeared. Yes, the moon disappeared. There was no moon. Monica tried to look up in the sky. See, can you see the moon in the sky? No, there is no moon in the sky. And Monica started wondering, where did the moon go? I don't see a moon in the sky. Where has the moon disappeared? Every day she would look in the sky and there would be no moon in the sky. Yes, and after some days, when one day Monica looked in the sky, she again saw a crescent-sized moon, and she said, wow, the moon has again come into the sky. Yes, and then slowly, the moon started increasing in size, and it became a full-size moon. And Monica realized that the actual place of the moon is in the sky. Yes, the moon can be only in the sky. It cannot come down on the earth. And every night she would look at the moon in the sky and become very happy. So this was the story of Monica and the moon. Yes, and you remember the phases of the moon, isn't it? Yes, when the moon is full in the sky, it is called the full moon. Yes, and when there is no moon in the sky is black and dark, it is called the new moon. New moon means there is no moon in the sky. Yes, children. So from now, today, try to look in the sky at night and see what is the shape of the moon. Yes, the moon is not always round in the sky. It keeps changing its size. It gets small, and it disappears. And then again, it starts getting bigger, and it becomes the full moon. Yes, so this was the story of Monica. Now I have a small rhyme for you about the moon. Will you take a look at it? Yes, can we have the rhyme, ma'am?
Yes, we'll have the rhyme, okay?
See the
I'll
rhyme
just put
about
the rhyme, but in case if it stops, let me know because I don't have lights. So
Okay.
it may, the video may be dragging,
Okay.
okay? So I'll put it,
Yes, let's take a look at it.
Moon, moon, I am the moon. For the earth, I am a moon. I'm Earth's only natural satellite. From the sun, I reflect light. You can see me in the evening. Oh, oh, it's a wonderful feeling. Moon, moon, I am the moon. For the earth, I am a moon. Sometimes I'm half, sometimes I'm full. That makes me look cool. Sometimes I'm a crescent. I am curved and not bent. Moon, moon, I am the moon. For the earth, I am a moon. I am made of rock, and I have fun around the clock. I have many craters on me. I'm very cool, you see. Moon, moon, I am the moon. For the earth, I am a moon. Moon, moon, I am the moon.
Okay, so that was the rhyme on moon and the phases of the moon. And moon is the satellite of the earth. Okay, everyone? So now it's time to say goodbye.
Yes, goodbye. So I hope they all liked them. Could you all see the video well?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We could.
Oh,
Yes, you
now
liked
it's
it.
time to
Very
say
good.
goodbye.
Now see the moon,
Okay.
everyone in the sky, okay? At night,
Yes.
take a look in the sky and try to spot the moon.
Okay, so now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye to everyone. Anybody wants to show a plant?
Goodbye.
They want to show their plant? They can send a picture. Okay. Their kitchen grown plant. Okay. Goodbye for now. See you tomorrow.
Oh yeah, kids, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me.